Alright, welcome back to Kirby. Here's the Ripple Star.
Ripple Heart.
Whatever. Which we're going to go... Why is it beating? Alright, let's hop
never
in.
know.
I know I'm gonna need some ability here, and I'm trying to remember which one it is. Don't you love how they basically brought back the first level?
Yeah, it's basically the first level.
Plug in.
Jack in. Power up.
I think a needle.
What does fire needle do?
That's
a bow, isn't it?
Yeah, the fire bow.
Bow.
Which is not the... It's not a bad ability, but it's one I rarely ever use. Real.
Get wrecked.
I don't know what the fuck, but then I won't.
What does Ice Needle give you?
Hmm?
What does Ice Needle give you?
Ice Needle?
Yeah.
Damn it, I hit the wrong fucking button. Hang on. Let's see if I can remedy this. It's in the level. I'm fucking doing it again.
Can I just point out how you could have just went back?
Was there a needle guy?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure there wasn't.
It's one of those little roly-poly guys that kind of look like Marvin the Martian. Those guys don't give you needle? Pretty sure. Yeah, one of those.
If you're right, I'm gonna be so pissed off. Because I don't remember him. Marvin the Martian, really?
That's what they kind of look like.
Ooh, I'll disintegrate you!
Yeah.
It makes me angry! So angry!
I love how you're hurting it when it's in the ground.
Cheating.
Fuck.
Who's that guy?
I could have been thinking about that guy. Could have been. Yeah, I think I was talking.
I'm going for the second one because he actually has a set distance. He doesn't do the 3 distant one. You know?
Yeah.
Fuck you. I hate having to use that over and over. That looks like that should be ice and bomb.
Close.
Just a bombastic.
Right. I wonder how long this one's gonna take.
Do I need an ability here? I don't remember. Okay, there's a thing over there. Gotta infiltrate the castle. We gotta use the sewers. Kirby gear! Oh, you do, but what color is that?
Yellow? P?
It's dark, so I can't tell, but you might be right. With which art? I don't know. Is it P?
What?
Is it P?
What is yellow?
Lightning. Okay, that's just a sandwich. Goodbye, Magikarp.
Does that one give you any abilities?
Crab?
Yeah.
Nope.
It should.
You would think it should give you cutter at least. Damn it. To hell. I don't need that tomato. What light is shining there, I wonder? This is some freaky music, though.
I could barely hear it, so.
It reminds me of the forest music. I need a cutter!
Is it possible to go back and get it?
Maybe. I hate the fact that I have to do... I don't have to do this, but the fact that I'm doing this. Fuck off. The fact I can't keep flying is annoying too. Unlike every other Kirby game, you know? Fuck off, you. You know what? I'll just take it, just accept it as it is. Moving on. Don't try to rectify the mistake, just keep going. Because you need the cutter. I like how it goes from cave to, like, building. You kidding me, right? Fuck you.
What does cutter and needle give you?
The big old spike arms. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Well, here's the thing. Shield guys.
Which means you should probably take the shield guy first, and then...
This. Which... it might not help me with those boxes. My best bet is probably double cutter.
It's like a half an hour of time wasted. That's what it felt like, anyway.
You could fucking hate
Fucking bubbles.
fucking bubbles.
Not in a good way either.
Is there a good way to fuck bubbles? I don't think so. See, look at that. Fuck yo boxes. Got my star. I mean, fuck it. It's a star for now.
Kevin, it's not Mario.
It is today.
It's not Mario.
When was the last time I got one of those things? Alright. I think this level might only have 4. I'm not 100% on that, so don't quote me on it.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, I think I need a boomerang. Not boomerang. Bow and arrow here.
What the fuck does fire and ice give you?
Ah, crap.
No, seriously though.
Can I stay at a perfect length so you do that? Ugh. Come on, let's get the... There we go.
Where do you need that at?
One of the rooms, there's like a sun drawn on the floor.
Did you mean to get that one?
No, but it fucking worked. The fact that the fire stays is great. Fantastic. Right there. And then I could just do this.
Sir Kibble.
That guy has a fantastic name.
Fucking dome to rock.
Fucking hit it! I tripped a flying enemy.
That makes no sense whatsoever. Dude, you almost have 30 lives.
No, I'll go away the moment I stop playing. Fuck this. I did my deed for the day. Bam. I'll tinkle toe all the way over here. Oh, I was right. It is only 4 levels. Alright, people. Get ready for this. Please be lightning first. Fuck. Yeah, do your thing. Shit. Well, I'm at half. What the fuck did I jump? What the fuck did I jump?
Can you hurt him if you have 2 different types of...
Oh yeah, as long as it's the same element. Damn it! Fuck me sideways. Wait, rock again? Damn it! Fuck you, faggot. Rock is the most annoying one. No, I may have spoke too soon. Well, at least rock is gone. Oh, fuck me. No, oh shit.
What the hell is that one supposed to be?
Bomb.
Oh.
Fire's gone. Oh god, lightning. Thing is, oh shit. Fuck. No!
You can't get loud now.
I'm sorry. I can or can't?
Can't.
Okay. Just double checking. Fuck off, you. Got greedy with my... Damn it. Fuck, I hate you. I hate you so much. One hidden, yay. Fuck off. Fuck off. 2. Damn it. Shit. There goes Cutter. There goes Ice. And there goes Rock. Oh, Needle. Which way are we going? Needle's not too hard. Neither is fire, actually. What do we got? Needle again. What is it? Oh, God. This is where all my lives are gonna be lost. Should get fucking fridge. That's what I should get.
Why is that?
I can get food to heal myself.
Yeah, but how would you hurt him?
With the food.
What the fuck? Does food count as everything?
Yeah. Heals me, hurts them. God, bomb. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Don't get hit by the bubbles. Don't get hit by the bubbles. Fuck the bubbles. Fuck the bubbles. Damn it. Rock. Just do that. What do we got? More bomb. Okay. There we go. Bomb's gone. Needle. Which way we going? You can see which element I have the most problem with, right? It's electric, right?
Yeah, mainly because you end up jumping into it.
Yeah, which I hate myself for. It's because it's a panic jump? Oh, you fucking asshole. I didn't mean to spit, I meant to fucking jump. Fucking ice, god damn it! Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I got hit that time. Oh, shit. Electric. Oh shit, I got cutter in my mouth.
Hmm?
I said I had cutter in my mouth. Whoa, oh boy. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Fucking crap. Merciless crap. Dead ice. Okay, we got some dry ice. Get some dead, dry ice. Oh, fuck. Alright, lightning's gone. All we got is cutter.
You can hear the panic in his voice. It's magical.
I did it, Ma! That's a biggin. Oh, thank you.
His wibbly ass arm.
Right? There's this actually one Kirby thing where he has magnetic arms and you can move them all over his body, and I really want to get it. You a mess, Queen Fairy.
The Queen Fairy looks like she belongs in like Azumanga or something like that.
As what, a student or a teacher?
Could be either, really.
You're right. Look at DDD!
He's so sad. He's so sad.
I'm so sad.
That face.
You cannot make that scary. It's more like, you need to go to the bathroom? What's wrong?
It's more like she's about to have her way with somebody.
That crystal. Well, as you can tell, that's not the good ending. We need to get 100% crystals for that. And we'll do that next episode. Right now, we'll just enjoy these credits, though. It's like he's doing some karate training right there. That's the Queenie before she gets ready in the morning.
Probably, most likely.
Yeah, it is. Action pose. It's hard to believe that's the same guy as the guy in the lower left there. He looks real derpy in the lower left, meanwhile. There's a painter friend. It's a bud! Eyeball.
It's the homunculus again.
It could be the... Look at that thing! It's an angel!
O2? Something like that?
Something like that. I wonder what a percentage is. Let's take a look. I'm guessing...
Pretty high.
I'm guessing 76. $94. I was so wrong.
94.
I
told
was
you,
so
pretty high.
fucking wrong.
You were pretty fucking thorough. You're missing like what?
Probably
4 or
like
5?
No, it's probably not 4 or 5. It's probably more like 6 to 8.
Not much. Of like what of them? What, like almost 100 of them?
There's not 100 crystals. I don't
know how
think.
many there actually is.
It's probably like 30. That's my guess, at least. At least.
So yeah, that's been this episode, I guess, or
Let's take a look at the enemy info real quick.
we got Whale Lord. His name is Acro.
It's Orca backwards.
Yeah, real original Nintendo.
How about Shutzo?
Sounds like a One Piece character.
That's what, look at this cannon. What should we call it? Shutzo. Okay. The loghead gets a name. Splinter.
Makes sense, but why the fuck is the log even in there? It's not an enemy. It's an obstacle.
Bivolt. Bivolt. Blowfish.
Makes sense because it blows up. Squibby?
That's adorable. Maw. That makes
Makes
sense.
sense. Big ass jowls. Cacti. Cha-cha. Makes sense.
Rough. Wait, do you pronounce the N?
That's a good question.
Emp.
Emperor Penguin.
Mm.
Kiki, the broom girl, even though she has nothing to do with the game. Makes sense.
Does. Alright.
Don't have many of those, though.
Yeah, I don't. I thought I had more. Alright. Well, that's it for this episode. Join us next time. We'll 100% this thing. We'll do a quick cut of me getting the rest of the crystals, and then we'll go to the final boss. I might have to fight the hexagon thing again.
Might?
I think I do. Like, absolutely.
Well, you poor piece of shit.
I know. See you people next time.